What if the hardest seasons of your life weren't signs that you were breaking, but actually signs that something deeper is trying to heal? If you're a caregiver, a leader, or someone carrying an invisible weight, this space was made for you. I am Rosabel, Neurology nurse practitioner, caregiver, and someone who has walked through grief, burnout, and rebuilding from the inside out. I work with the brain clinically, but I also know healing doesn't happen only in exam rooms. It happens in real-life conversations about trauma, identity, faith, loss, resilience, and the nervous system is beneath it all. This is Rosabel Unscripted, where courage meets healing. Here we have unscripted, honest conversation with caregivers, clinicians, leaders, survivors, everyday humans navigating life's most difficult transitions. We talk about what no one prepares you for. We talk about burnout that changed you, trauma that lives in the body, caregiving that reshapes identity. We even talk about business. We talk about everything that makes us human, because I understand that healing isn't linear, but it's also possible. You're not gonna find quick fixes here. You will find clarity, language for what you are experiencing, and tools grounded in neuroscience, compassion, and real life. So if you're ready for conversations that help you feel seen, grounded, and less alone, subscribe, join the community, and walk this journey with us. This is Rosabel Unscripted, and you don't have to carry it alone.